Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and making the initial connection. Plug the phone in or join the same Wi-Fi. USB is more stable, but Wi-Fi is faster to set up. Install the recommended Webcam app on your phone and the companion client on the computer, then allow camera and mic permissions when prompted because the desktop needs direct feed access. Once done, position the phone in landscape, center your face using 16:9 framing, and enable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. Next, you configure the app and control settings so the feed looks professional. Open the phone app, pick the rear or front camera, and set resolution to 720p or 1080p depending on bandwidth. Higher resolution uses more CPU. On your computer client, select the phone as the video source in your conferencing or recording app, then match frame rate and orientation. Make sure to lock focus and set exposure manually if possible, and route audio from a headset. Finally, you verify the setup and know how to recover from common problems. Join a quick test call or open the recording app to confirm video quality, audio sync, and latency. Record a short clip to inspect motion and clarity. If you see lag, switch from Wi-Fi to USB tethering, reduce resolution, or close CPU-hungry apps on both devices because performance improves when resources are freed. If the feed drops, restart the phone app and desktop client, recheck permissions, and reboot the phone as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.